All right, enough talking. How about we just go ahead and create our restaurant store? On the Drew website, click on Create My Store button. This is going to bring us to onboarding process. And here, I'm going to start off by giving my restaurant's name. It's going to be Hawaiian Poke Style Bowl. And our store URL is going to be Breeze Bowls. And this is how our customers are going to access our store. So you can see we're going to place it on our website, we're going to place it on our social media, and when people click on it, they're going to land immediately on our online store to order food. Let's give our phone number and click next. Here I'm going to give the address of my restaurant. Where is it located? I'm currently in Germany, so I'm going to use a German restaurant in Munich. You guys write your restaurant's address, hit next, and let's just authenticate. Give our name, email address, and give your password. I agree to terms and conditions and hit start, and we're done. So once we click start, Drew is going to create us our own store. Let's give it a moment. And all right, we have sent you a verification email. So just go ahead and verify your email with which you just authenticated. I'm going to go to my Gmail account, and here is the email. If you don't see it in your inbox, make sure you check it in your spam folder, but usually it should be in your primary mailbox. Go ahead, click on the link, and now your email has been verified. So we can go back to Drew and click on login. All right, folks. So right now we're in the Drew admin panel. This is the place where we are going to manage pretty much everything. I'm going to guide you through every page, but let's first take a look on our online store. On the bottom left, we have a button. Just click on it, and it is going to open our online shop. And of course, when we first time open the store, what we're going to see is a template. So don't worry, we're going to change everything here. We're going to put here our own logo. We're going to change the cover image. We'll change colors, and we will delete all these products and populate the store with our product catalog. So maybe we should start with designing our store. Let's go back to Drew admin panel, go to appearance screen, and here we can design how our store is going to look to our end customers. So first of all, we have our store name, and let's give it a description: fresh bowls from Hawaii. I don't know if that's how you type it. Anyway, this is the email our customers are going to see in case they want to contact. Same with the telephone number. And here's the cover image. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to replace it with my cover image. I have here my cover image. You can cut it. You can keep it as it is, but I thought this is creative. Having the surf desks as a cover image in my restaurant looks very Hawaiian to me. And the logo, we have my logo. So I would highly recommend using white background or no background logo, because then it will look really good on your store. And you can pick any other color, but I personally like lime because my restaurant is kind of a green styled. And as a last step, you can check a fav icon. Fav icon is something that you see on the bookmark. For example, on top left here, you can see when people are going to open your store from web browser, you can put your icon here. I think it looks cool. But if they order from mobile, they probably will never see it anyway. So select some small icon. I'm going to have here a little fish here, and I'm going to click save. Right, appearance updated, it said. So right now, let's go back to our store. You can click on the button down here, and looks good. So our icon refreshed as well, and our logo is here, our cover image. So far, so good. Okay, now it's the time for us to update the product catalog with our real items. Let's head back to Drew admin panel, click on catalog page, and here we can first of all delete the default items. These are the categories. We're going to populate with our own. And the last one, delete. I'm going to keep this one because I like the products. They're fitting for my restaurant case. Let's create burgers category. I know we are running Hawaiian Poke restaurant, but just for the sake of demo. So So here we have burgers. We can drag and drop and put it on top. Let's add, okay, let's add drinks maybe. And I'm gonna, yeah, this, I think we already had it, but anyway. I'm gonna click on burgers now and add my first item. So this is gonna be double cheeseburger. And I'm gonna give it a price of 12 euro. I'm right now in Germany, or my store is in Germany, and therefore I see here euro as a currency. For you, if you are in US, you will see US dollars, of course. And then make sure to put value added tax, which will be shown at the checkout to the end customer, how much they're paying to tax. And in Germany, I believe it's 7 as of today. And I'm gonna say best burger in town as a description. Hot. Save it. Here is our product item. Let's upload an image. Right, I prepared my images a bit in advance. So we have here this, I'm not sure if this is double cheeseburger, but let's cut this image a bit, center it, and click save. All right, looks great. Let's add another product, and I will speed it up here a bit so that you guys don't have to wait. I added my drinks to my restaurant, and let me upload an image. One thing I noticed that white background images look better for the end customer. So here we go. Now I have my drinks, I have my burgers here. Let's take a look how our store looks now. Let's refresh it. Now we see our burgers, we see the salads that we didn't delete, and we see the drinks. Looks great. Now let's add different sizes to our products. Let's go back to Druve admin panel, and on the right hand side you see this create sizes button. Let's just create a new size. The original size, I would call it normal, and we're gonna add a large option, but the large option will be 2.5 extra to the base price. So let's click save, and I'm gonna take this size and drag and drop it to every single item we have in our catalog. So I'm gonna add it to double cheeseburger, to big tasty burger, to donut, and giga taste burger. So let's go back to the store, refresh, and let's take a look. Now the normal price is the base price we initially defined, and when customer clicks large, it will add 2.5 to the price. I'm going to put it in my basket. And besides sizes, we want to add options to select from when people pick products, and these are called add-ons here. Let's create a new add-on group. I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'm going to call this group as extras. And when I'm picking a burger, maybe I want to have extra egg, and that's going to cost $1 additionally. Or there is for example, pineapple. I don't know, that's gross if you ask me, but, and maybe French fries as extras for my burger. That's going to be $2. And I'm going to save this. We have this add-on group, and I'm going to drag and drop it to our double cheeseburger. Here we go. Let's take a look on our store. Make sure to refresh the page. And all right, now besides the sizes, we have this option to select from additionally eggs, pineapple, or French fries. But hey, maybe I want, instead of just text, I want to have images of these extra options. Let's go back to our Druve admin and edit our group of add-ons. I'm going to click on this toggle without images. Now we're going to have images besides the text and the price. And the cool thing is that Druve has a database of add-ons that you can pick from. And I will see if I have the one I need. Okay, this one pretty much will do the job. And I have French fries probably here too. So write in English the full word of what you're looking for. And all right, French fries and pineapple. So let's take a look on pineapple. Okay, so this is probably going to be a bit misleading image. I'm going to pick my own. So if you don't find the image that you want in Druve, you can always upload your own. And I have here this ring of a pineapple that I will also cut. Click OK. And let's click save. Yes. And let's refresh our store and take a look again. All right, so I think this is much better. So we can select an extra add-on. Let me show you what else we can do with these extras. Imagine a scenario where we do not want to allow a customer to pick an item without selecting something from the extras, so that we force them to make an option. And right now we can select just one item. Let's go in the admin panel and change that. I'm going to select my extras card, and in here I will select it from optional. I'm going to put it mandatory, so the customer has to select at least one, but maximum 2 items of this list. And what is more, we can allow selection of a single item multiple times. So instead of selecting egg and pineapple, we can force them to select egg 2 times, or they can select egg 2 times, for example. Let's click save. Let's go back to our shop, refresh the page. And now when I try just maybe pick a large burger and put it in a basket, it's not going to work. It forces me to select at least 1, max 2. But now I can select 2 times the same item also. Well, I can select different ones, but I cannot select more than 2. I will have to deselect one and select the other one. And here you can be as creative as you want. You can configure your pizza. Maybe people can even build up their own pizza. They can select the base, they can add cheese, they can add ingredients like salami, or they can build their own bowl. I want to go ahead and add one more extras group to add to my burgers. This is going to be called sauce, and it's going to be completely optional, but only max 1. Let's do with images. I would say mayo. It's going to be actually for free. Sounds good. And let's hit save. I'm going to add these extras to every burger. You have Big Tasty Burger. Now I'm done. Let's refresh our store. Now every burger of ours has multiple add-ons. Looks good. Probably you've seen on the other on the salads that we have here, there are some labels like organic and vegetarian. I want to add these to, at least I want to show you how to add them. And just hit this add labels button and say if your burger is vegan, in my case, which is very unlikely, but anyway, well, it's not free for sure. I don't know if that adds any value to my customers, but this one is sugar-free and gluten-free. Yeah, and let's take a look on our store once again. Here we have our labels in place, and when you open, you see these labels here as well. So it's rather a cool thing for your customers to know that this item is vegan or halal or whatever you want. Let's take one last look on our catalog before we move on. I would like to reorder my categories. So first of all, keep in mind that you can always reorder products within the category. Let's say we want this one to be on top, actually. It's the most expensive one. And I want my salads to appear on first. And I think changes should take place immediately. So now we have salads and we have burgers and drinks.